The two leaders paid singular focus to economic growth, wealth creation, and the promotion of investment between Somalia and Ethiopia in order to secure a prosperous future for their people, the countries of the Horn of Africa, and ultimately the African continent. In this respect, the two leaders agreed to enhance economic integration of the two nations while reaffirming the importance of economic security and development through utilization of the human and natural resources of the two nations as the most effective means of tackling the current security challenges. The leaders therefore agreed to remove all trade and economic barriers and deepen and widen economic linkages by, first and foremost, and the development of critical infrastructure, in particular development of ports and key highways linking the two nations. The leaders further agreed to invest in logistics and service provision, especially to leading ports in the continent that can serve both the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. In an effort to attract and retain foreign investment to the two countries and the Horn of Africa region, the leaders agreed on the joint investment of 4 key seaports between two countries and the construction of the main road networks and arteries that would link Somalia to mainland Ethiopia. The leaders agreed to constitute a designated joint technical team that would immediately embark on key task of outlining this substantial undertaking to fully take advantage of the larger market with more opportunities and greater economics of scale for business. The leaders agreed to encourage incentivized investments, particularly through the private sector in both countries, in order to create jobs and facilitate full economic integration between the two countries.